Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Apache Kafka on AWS MSK using MSK Connect. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon MSK service in the console. Click on the Create Cluster button. Choose the custom option to tailor your cluster settings. Enter your cluster name in the designated field. Select the desired Kafka version from the drop-down menu. Specify the number of broker nodes you require. Choose the instance type for your Kafka brokers. Configure the storage size according to your needs. Select the appropriate virtual private cloud (VPC). Decide on the availability zones for redundancy. If necessary, enable public access for your Kafka cluster. Review the encryption options and enable them if needed. Set up monitoring features according to your project requirements. Click on Create to launch your Kafka cluster. Once the cluster is active, go to the MSK Connect section of the console. Click on Create Connector to define your data integration tasks. Provide a name for your connector. Select the source and destination types for your connector. Input the required configurations for both the source and destination. Configure the connection settings, such as authentication credentials. Set up any necessary transformation options for your data. Review your connector settings for accuracy. Click on Create Connector to initiate the setup process. Wait for your connector to become active. Monitor the status of your connector to ensure successful operations. Finally, conduct tests to verify data flow through your Kafka cluster. This concludes the detailed guide on installing Apache Kafka on AWS MSK using MSK Connect. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.